Okay, this is about 10 feet. This is about 20 feet. About 30 feet. $40 feet. Oh, what's up? It's not shooting. $50 feet. At 50 feet, they're kind of spreading all over the place. Just as the name implies, this is a serious blaster. It shoots well into the 200s, 203, 210, 213, 216, 205, 211, and like about 12 rounds per second or so. The only issue I have with it is that it's not that accurate, and that has to do with the high velocity and probably the plastic barrel inside. About if you take single shots. 198, 219, 205, 218.